McDonald's quietly launches 3 new menu items. While the Golden Arches usually goes big with its announcements, McDonald's has quietly surprised fans by rolling out 3 brand new menu items. A crispy new McCrispy sandwich, a revamped snack wrap, and an indulgent frappe flavor have already debuted in select markets, and critics are buzzing with praise. McDonald's Buffalo Ranch sauce debuts on fries, nuggets, and 2 new favorites. McDonald's just spiced things up with a brand new addition that's ready to heat up some of its classic menu favorites, the Buffalo Ranch sauce. It's showcased in the Bacon Buffalo Ranch Deluxe McCrispy Sandwich and Buffalo Ranch Snack Wrap. Food enthusiast Snack with Zach described its heat as comparable to spicy buffalo and its thickness as reminiscent of KFC's Buffalo Ranch. The Instagram star also praised McDonald's for getting the sauce balance just right in the new McCrispy sandwich and added that for snack wrap fans, this gives you everything that you want. If fans take a liking to the new Buffalo Ranch sauce, McDonald's may explore pairing it with a wider range of menu items, from McCrispy strips to breakfast offerings, giving customers more ways to enjoy its spicy, creamy flavor. McDonald's sweetens the menu with new Chips Ahoy Frappe. To complement all that spice, McDonald's has also introduced a new frappe flavor, the Chips Ahoy Frappe. This limited-time beverage combines coffee with a cookie-flavored syrup and actual Chips Ahoy cookie pieces, marking the first time McDonald's has partnered with a branded cookie for a frappe. Food vlogger Snack with Zach also gave it a taste test on Instagram. "That's fire!" they exclaimed in the video. They added that the new frappe strikes a balance with subtle coffee and brown sugar notes, making it a satisfying treat. Here's when you might see McDonald's latest menu additions. McDonald's hasn't officially confirmed a nationwide release date for these new menu items, but rumors are swirling that they could hit restaurants as soon as October 28th. Early appearances may quietly pop up on menus, providing fans an exclusive preview.